down. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. The wine cake set a record. Red label wine, sorry, I go sell off. Paint up the place, whitewash the side.
I promise if I could, I'd fuck her 7 days a week.
Okay, I didn't know this song had so much curse words. Oh, I looked it up, so I can't just skip it easily. You guys can follow me on my Spotify at Bicana BR. That's me. I thought I had a picture. I'll put a picture. Yeah, I'm done. You can. Yeah. Good morning, part 2, guys. What am I always say, guys? I'm rewatching my footage, and I realized Monday if you can see me. And I just realized that I say guys so much. I'm not trying to say guys. I'm gonna want to start just calling her guys. Good morning, everybody. My hair sheds so much. It's a really nice hair now, and it's really pretty and everything, but like it shed so much. It's not cute. It's really not cute, all the shedding. Like I'm right here.
I am cut up in the Felisa.
Yeah.
In the tree, like a piece of block. I don't know where I put it. Outside,
Is that what after? Is after 10 now? Make a record. Hi. You wanna smile for the camera? No? No, I'll smile.
Oh, this is the big
This is the vlog.
Wait, let me start.
Alright guys, so like I told you before, we have a lot planned for today, a lot of running around. This is Kai. I need to stop forgetting to introduce people. But this is Kai. I think I put in the camera on Kai when her and Jackson were playing this morning. Yeah, so right now we're on the road from Spanish Soul to Kingston. Yeah. So guys, I'm trying to remember to vlog. It's very hard to remember. And hopefully I have some interesting stuff. Hopefully somebody start fights. I'm gonna have some content to show them. But enjoy the driving snippets.
S playing on the track.
Okay guys, sorry I barely talked to her. We've gone all over the place, you know, dropped off some paperwork here and there. And now I'm just going to, we're gonna probably get some food after this. Kai's picking up a package. We're gonna go back to the office, and baby Jackson is sleeping. there, so I don't want to talk too loud. We're gonna probably go back to the office. We have some more stuff that we have to do with other paperwork that's here. What else? Oh, we have to pick up something that we dropped off. What else more is it on? I'm gonna see my cousins later today, so if you haven't watched some of my earlier vlogs with them involved or with them in it, then go check out some of those. I'm gonna reintroduce them when you guys get to see them. I'm also gonna see my uncle's girlfriend tonight, probably like around 10 o'clock. So yeah, I still have a lot more. I know I haven't shown you guys much right now, but I have a lot more coming, and then I have a lot for tomorrow as well. Like I said, I'm still vlogging, I'm still doing Vlogmas. The vlogs might come up late, but I'm still a vlog, I promise. Anyways, bye. Okay guys, so remember how I told you I have more stuff to do? Right now we're in I don't want to record nobody. I'm gonna get 2 cheese coffee and 2 drinks. I don't even remember how much a cheese patty is, to be honest, but whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna order and everything. Then we're gonna go back to the office. I haven't had a cheese patty since January. Okay, I'm not. I haven't had a cheese patty since April. Excuse me. Yeah, so we're gonna do that right now. I've had a patty in so long. Anyways, no more recording about it. So let me come on.
Right? I was looking back her this morning though.
Yeah. Come on, Felicia. Since that's what you look for, you're the one that's Felicia, oh, look for Felicia.
Exactly, enough
Turn it back, turn it up back.
Turn it up, alright.
Turn it up, right up.
Let me turn up my phone.
You lie to me. Oh Lord, yeah. That's alright, don't worry about it. Remember me know
Hey, can we say police? Love us, let's just stand up.
always here. I fuck them gyal like I'm Superman.
Alright. It should look. Let's see.
So did not get to go to the bathroom?
Yeah. Yeah.
Tomorrow, Ali, tomorrow. Today was a big
Alright. On the vlog. Alright guys, so we're going inside the supermarket. Finally leaving the car. Wait, the second time I leave the car. I think it's scared to leave the car. Anyway, so we're in Spanish Town now. And we're going to vlog. So, yeah. I hope I can record inside. I'm gonna record inside. Either way. I hope you could hear what I was saying. Pringles.
No, I lied.
So this aisle is a snack aisle. I'm not telling you this unnecessary information for crackers. One thing I want to do is a giveaway. I'm gonna do a giveaway. I just buy like a bunch of Jamaican snacks and I do a giveaway box. I think that would be really nice. Maybe when I get to like probably 4.5k. Yeah, so 500 more subscribers and that'd be nice. Yeah, anyways, I'm gone.
The record there.
The top one is
So not impressed?
Recording already.
One, I go up on YouTube, you know.
I disgusting that child.
Record their eat. Come in everyday life money. I record your everyday life. Tell them about it. How to make money. Tell them how you became successful in life money. What you did. Huh? The strategies. Huh? Around side.
Boy, if you don't.
Alright, see you here now. You have become a star now, and you're turning a star.
Tell you go for your son now.
This is how you made successful money.
At least they use it vlog or something.
Okay.
Yeah, tuning in, live and direct. Yes, we are. Big up chat box. Boy, you know, say thing I record that. Okay,
Yes, they
excuse
not
me.
forgot so far.
Excuse me. I can't think of the pants today.
One day on it too.
Excuse me. Because you never tell me, my boss. You never tell me.
Bala. Everything good?
So far?
Yeah.
Live on camera. You record it?
Yeah.
Look at the smile for the camera.
I think you're done.
Torn and frame. Shadi, I want to go on the bike and give me some content for tonight. Yes, I have over 4,000 subscribers now. Yeah, this is good. This can see you. You're brown in a Chad.
Well, I'm just now. Sure I can buy mine.
Bala, yeah, shoot you. Just kidding.
Daddy, nothing to you. Let's do one thing going with them. You real UL tree. Real UL tree.
You might catch up on the vlog.
Daddy.
Bala said, I do it for the vlog. Turn around and say it.
But the arms out.
Do it for the vlog. I need a light to attach to the top. That's the next thing I'm gonna buy. Stepping on our boat. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. Yeah, it's